Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today's animal spotlight is African sulcatas, also known as Spurside tortoises. They live to be hundreds of years old. It takes them forever to get this big. They start out smaller than this, almost the size of a $50, and it takes close to 20-30 years to get as big as this one here is. They have a very important diet. They eat a lot of produce, but they must have red meat protein or their shells end up caving in. So in order to keep them healthy, they need a wide range of a diet, including meat, a good variety of vegetables and fruit, and they love insects. But don't forget the most important part, and that is the room that they need in order to stay healthy and move around, along with the proper vitamins. That is our animal spotlight of the day. African sulcatas, also known as Spurside tortoises.